Welcome, in front of me is a REDBEAT E3 and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. To get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, if you have a case on your device, you will need to take it off. And the tray is located on the top left side of the device. So grabbing the little tool, you want to slide it in and then push it in, which will push out the tray. Just yoink it out, and on the tray you'll have space for either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. If you're planning to use dual SIM card, you would just place one of them sideways like so. I'm going to be doing one of each, so I'm going to flip it over here on the SD card as well. And then carefully insert it back into the device. Now carefully, because there's nothing holding these cards in place apart from gravity. Once you insert the tray, these cards should start working right away. So I'm gonna need to verify my SIM card pin, and that unlocks my SIM card. And SD card should be working as well, with probably some kind of notification showing up. There we go. So that's it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.